raccoon attack, raccoon attack. Hide your babies, it's a raccoon attack. I grab your sweater off the very top shelf and die.
But I'm still alive.
It's February 8th, 2001, and I'm whooping your kids behind. I'm riding my mama like a bus in Pakistan. Pass me the rock so I can dunk on your face, old man. Whee!
This is so fun.
I'm chubby and I'm sad, and there's nothing in my dish.
I try and I try, but I just can't make a wish.
Hey, 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 what the hell is that? Oh my God, I'm tripping so bad. These fleas are totally out of control. I splashed your kid in the face 'cause he's a moron.